In this video, we're going to show you how to connect your Nest Thermostat 4th generation to Alexa so you can control it with voice commands just like this. Alexa, set the downstairs thermostat to 70 degrees.
The heat's set to 70.
There you go. You can see that we used voice commands with Alexa to control our Nest thermostat, and this is the Nest Thermostat 4th generation. So let's get started. To connect Nest and Alexa, you need to make sure you have the Google Home set up and installed on your phone. You also need to make sure you've got your Nest thermostat connected to the Google Home app. If you don't know how to do that, we've got a video in the description below that'll show you how to set up your Nest thermostat. You also need to make sure that your Amazon Alexa device is set up and installed on the Alexa app. We've done both of those things already, so now we're going to go to the Google Home app. Once we're in the Google Home app, we're going to click down here at the bottom on Add right here. Now we've got multiple options on the screen. We're going to choose Service right here down at the bottom, and then we have multiple different services. We're going to choose Amazon Alexa Skill right here. It says link Amazon Alexa to your Google Nest devices. Allow Amazon Alexa to access and control specific devices. We're going to click Next. It says Amazon's access to your Google Nest devices. Here it has a whole bunch of information here. It says allow Amazon to view information about your home. We're going to slide that over. Access and control, we're going to slide that over as well. We're going to select a thermostat we want to allow it control on, and then we're going to slide that over as well. Now you can select your garage doorbell if you've got a doorbell that will work, and we're just going to slide over events. We're going to click on that as well, and now we're going to click Next. It says link Google Nest with Alexa. Enable the Google Nest skill and link your account with Alexa. To unlink your account at any time, disable the skill in the Alexa app. Now it's important to note that it will be much easier if you've already got the Google Home app set up and installed and you're logged into it, and you have the Amazon Alexa app set up and installed and you're logged into the Amazon Alexa app so that everything will work smoothly. If you haven't done that already, go do that and then restart the video. Click link. Link Google account and Amazon Alexa account. Now you can see what it will be able to do, and all you're going to do is click Agree and Link. Connecting Amazon Alexa. Amazon Alexa is linked. Now we're going to click Done. Now let's test it out. We've got our Amazon device here. This is an Echo Spot, and we've got our Nest Thermostat 4th generation, which we just set up. So let's try a voice command to make this work. Alexa, set downstairs thermostat to 75 degrees.
The heat's set to 75.
There you go. You see that just changed. Let's try it again. Alexa, set downstairs thermostat to 80 degrees.
The heat's set to 80.
Alexa, set downstairs thermostat to 85.
The heat's set to 85.
Alexa, set downstairs thermostat to 60.
The heat's set to 60.
There you go. That is how you connect Nest Thermostat to Alexa. This will work with the Nest Thermostat 4th generation, which is the latest version of the Nest Thermostat, which was launched in 2024. It should also work with other Nest thermostats that also connect to the Google Home app. Now, not every Nest thermostat connects to the Google Home app. Some of them still run on the Nest app. So thanks for watching this video on how to connect your Nest thermostat to Alexa. And if you want to support us, please subscribe, give us that thumbs up, and you can click on the links below for either one of these devices. Hope you enjoy, and we'll see you next time.